Some of DC's frontline workers who took care of us during the height of the pandemic are getting $1 million payback. The DC Attorney General says Azure Healthcare forced employees to work 24-hour shifts and shorted them on their overtime pay. Delia Gonzalez is here with the details of this settlement and what this means for the workers. Does this make them whole or start that process?
It does start that process, and the process starts within 30 days of the settlement, which was inked today. So this is a huge win for those frontline workers who worked back in 2020, putting their lives and their health on the line, taking care of others in 6 different assisted living facilities throughout the district. Again, we're talking the early days of the pandemic when these group settings were hotbeds of COVID infections. According to the lawsuit, Azure Healthcare locked down its facilities and forced employees to work 24-hour shifts for 2 weeks straight. They only got paid for 18 of those hours, according to the lawsuit. And when the employees were promised hazard pay, the company folded. The owners sold all 6 facilities in the middle of this pay dispute. Now the owners are on the hook for $1.5 million.
This case is entirely the result of a concerned worker reaching out to our office, and it enabled us to sort of work on behalf of her and her coworkers and achieve a really great result.
Azure Healthcare denies the allegations and says the settlement does not admit liability, but rather compromise. But Lesson Lorenzo, the OAG says, let this be a warning to other companies. They need to treat and pay their employees fairly.
I'm glad you reminded us. I mean, this was before all of the vaccines were widely distributed, people putting their lives on the line. They were there, as you said, shut down, and to not be paid, that just seems criminal.
Thanks, Dave.